100 daw, guys.
Naku, wala. Tatlo 100 lang. Yan, 25 lang.
These are
bagong-bago model.
public
Fresh na
market.
fresh.
At Pasong Buhay ito.
Fresh na fresh yung model. Amoy mo pa.
Homeowners Association.
Amoy po.
Lowest cost price. At
Alam mo, tinitingnan ko dito yung ilalim.
Pasong Buhay Public Market.
Hoy, bumili kayo.
With
Kailangan makilit ang ilalim.
Serila Santos. The lowest cost price in Pasong Buhay Public. Come and visit here in Pasong Buhay to Public Market.
Mura dahon namin dito.
Please visit the Pasong Buhay Public Market. Me! Homeowners Association. Mami!
Bakit na? Naka-vlog ka pa yata. Wala ako kami nakalala.
Wala! Oo.
May talong ka pa.
Come and visit here in Pasong Buhay Public Market.